This episode was brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Join over 10,000 professionals from 90 countries to learn security online. Also brought to you by Hacker Arsenal, artillery for cyber warriors. Visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our latest attack defense gadgets. I'm Marley Oxenholm from Pentester Academy TV, and welcome to our show, The Toolbox, where we showcase the latest and greatest software tools so you can use them to better your security. I have an awesome tool to show you guys today. Let's take a look at Volatility. Volatility is a memory forensics framework. It supports Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X memory dumps. It comes with numerous memory analysis plugins such as PS List, Image Info, Hive List, and more. This tool is written in Python and was developed by Andrew Case, Michael Hale Lee, Jamie Levy, Aaron Walters, and Mike Audie. Now, you're probably wondering how to use this tool. Well, take a look at this great example. In this demo, we will learn how to take a memory dump for Windows OS and extract malicious binary from a running process from it using Volatility. First, let's take a memory dump for Windows OS using Dump It tool. Then, for analyzing it, copy the memory dump file to the Kali machine. We can then check the image information using Image Info argument. The memory location can be defined using flag. In the image information, we can see the details about the dump and the machine. Now we can run pslist command to list all running processes when the dump was taken. We can observe that a process named backdoor.exeex is running on the system. Let's dump the process binary using procdump command. Here, dflag defines the directory to store the binary and pflag defines the process ID. We can perform both static and dynamic analysis on the binary, but in this case, we will only upload this binary on VirusTotal website to see if it is flagged as malicious. We can observe that most of the antivirus vendor flagged the binary as a Trojan or malicious file. In this manner, the Volatility framework makes a forensic investigator's life easier by providing numerous memory analysis plugins and extraction techniques. Well, that's all the time that I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tool breakdown. Be sure to tune in next time for another episode of The Toolbox. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook so you don't miss out on any of the latest cybersecurity news. This episode is brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Join over 10,000 professionals from 90 countries to learn security online. Also brought to you by Hacker Arsenal, artillery for cyber warriors. Visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our latest attack defense gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.